The moon, our celestial neighbor, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its presence in the night sky has been a constant source of wonder and inspiration. From ancient civilizations to modern-day astronomers, the moon has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. Its soft glow illuminates our night sky, inspiring countless myths and legends. Stories of gods and goddesses, of lovers and lunatics have all been woven around its silvery light. The moon has been a muse for poets, a guide for travelers, and a symbol of mystery and romance. Yet one side of the moon remains forever hidden from our view, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This far side, often mistakenly called the dark side, is a place of perpetual enigma. It is a realm that has sparked the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. This dark side, as it's often called, has sparked endless curiosity and speculation. What could be lurking in the shadows, beyond the reach of our telescopes and probes? The far side of the moon has been a subject of countless theories and hypotheses, each more fascinating than the last. What secrets lie hidden on its unseen surface? Could there be ancient artifacts, remnants of a bygone era, or perhaps even signs of extraterrestrial life? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, and the quest for answers continues to drive our exploration of the cosmos. Could there be life forms lurking in the shadows, hidden from our telescopes and probes? The idea of unknown creatures inhabiting the far side of the moon has been a staple of science fiction for decades. While we have yet to find any concrete evidence, the allure of the unknown keeps us searching. For centuries, the dark side of the moon was a blank canvas upon which we projected our hopes and fears. Early astronomers and explorers could only speculate about what lay beyond the visible horizon. Their drawings and maps were filled with imaginative interpretations, blending science with fantasy. Some imagined it as a desolate wasteland, while others envisioned it as a thriving alien metropolis. The far side of the moon has been depicted in countless works of fiction, from desolate landscapes to bustling extraterrestrial cities. Each vision reflects our deepest desires and fears about the unknown. But without the ability to observe it directly, the truth remained elusive, locked away in the silent embrace of space. It wasn't until the advent of space exploration that we began to unlock the secrets of the far side. Even now, as we continue to send missions to the moon, the far side remains a tantalizing mystery, a cosmic enigma that beckons us to explore further. Before the advent of modern astronomy, humans filled the void of the unknown with stories. The moon, with its ever-changing phases and hidden face, became a fertile ground for myths and legends. Ancient civilizations wove tales of lunar deities, monsters, and even entire civilizations residing on its surface. Some cultures believed the moon to be inhabited by shape-shifting creatures, their forms shifting with the lunar phases. Others spoke of a celestial rabbit grinding herbs, preparing the elixir of immortality. These stories, passed down through generations, fueled our fascination with the moon and its unseen realm. While we now know that these tales are rooted in folklore, they serve as a testament to the enduring power of the unknown to ignite our imaginations. The year 1959 marked a pivotal moment in our understanding of the moon. The Soviet spacecraft Luna 3, in a groundbreaking feat of engineering, captured the first-ever images of the moon's far side. These grainy black-and-white photographs offered humanity its first glimpse of the hidden hemisphere, forever changing our perception of our closest celestial neighbor. The images, though lacking the clarity of modern photography, revealed a landscape starkly different from the familiar face we knew. Gone were the smooth, dark plains of the lunar Maria, replaced by a heavily cratered terrain. This surprising discovery challenged our assumptions about the moon's formation and history, paving the way for a new era of lunar exploration. Subsequent missions, equipped with increasingly sophisticated instruments, have provided us with a much clearer picture of the moon's far side. These missions have not only mapped the surface but also analyzed the composition of the lunar soil and rocks, giving us unprecedented insights into the moon's history and evolution. Orbiting spacecraft have mapped its surface in exquisite detail, revealing a world shaped by billions of years of cosmic bombardment. The data collected has shown us the sheer variety of craters, from tiny pits to massive basins, each telling a story of a different impact event. Craters of all sizes pockmark the landscape, testaments to the relentless reign of asteroids and meteoroids that have pummeled the lunar surface. Some of these craters are so large that they have central peaks, formed by the rebound of the lunar crust after the impact. The far side is also home to some of the oldest and most pristine rock formations in the solar system. These formations have remained largely untouched for billions of years, providing a window into the early solar system. These ancient remnants hold clues to the moon's violent birth and the early evolution of our solar system. By examining the isotopic compositions of these rocks, scientists can infer the conditions that existed when the moon formed. By studying these rocks, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the conditions that led to the formation of planets and the emergence of life itself. The moon, with its ancient and relatively unaltered surface, serves as a natural laboratory for understanding the processes that shaped our solar system. Section 5. No Little Green Men, The Search for Lunar Life. Despite our growing knowledge of the moon, the question of life beyond Earth continues to captivate our imaginations. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always been a source of wonder and mystery. From ancient myths to modern science, humanity has long been fascinated by the possibility of life beyond our planet. While the harsh conditions on the moon make it an unlikely candidate for life as we know it, scientists haven't ruled out the possibility entirely. The moon's surface is bombarded by solar radiation, and its extreme temperatures swing from boiling hot to freezing cold. Yet, the idea that life could exist in some form, perhaps in protected niches or beneath the surface, keeps researchers intrigued. The search for lunar life, however, has so far yielded no concrete evidence. Missions like Apollo and recent robotic explorers have provided us with invaluable data, but no signs of life have been detected. The moon's barren landscape, dotted with craters and devoid of vegetation, tells a story of a world that is starkly different from our own. The lunar surface lacks a substantial atmosphere, liquid water, and a protective magnetic field, all considered essential ingredients for life as we understand it. Without these critical components, the moon's environment is incredibly hostile to life. The thin exosphere offers no protection from cosmic and solar radiation, making the surface an inhospitable place. While the possibility of microbial life existing beneath the surface remains a topic of scientific debate, the moon appears to be a barren world, devoid of the bustling ecosystems found on our own planet. Scientists continue to study lunar samples and data, hoping to uncover clues that might hint at past or present life. For now, the moon remains a silent witness to the vastness of space, a reminder of the challenges we face in our quest to find life beyond Earth. Section 6. Echoes of Apollo Humanity's Giant Leap. No discussion of the moon would be complete without mentioning the Apollo missions. These daring voyages, spearheaded by NASA in the 1960s and 70s, marked a pivotal moment in human history. For the first time, humans set foot on another celestial body, fulfilling a dream that had captivated our species for millennia. While the Apollo missions focused on the near side of the moon, their legacy continues to inspire future lunar exploration. The knowledge gained from these missions, from lunar geology to the challenges of operating in space, forms the foundation upon which we build our future lunar endeavors. Section 7. Lunar Outpost, Dreams of a Moon Base. The moon, with its proximity to Earth and abundance of resources, is seen by many as the next logical step in human space exploration. Establishing a permanent lunar outpost, a base from which to conduct scientific research and potentially even launch missions deeper into space, has become a long-term goal for space agencies worldwide. Such a base would not only serve as a hub for scientific discovery, but also as a stepping stone for human missions to Mars and beyond. The moon's lower gravity could be harnessed to launch spacecraft more efficiently, reducing the cost and complexity of interplanetary travel. Section 8. The Future of Exploration, Unlocking Lunar Mysteries. As we venture further into the 21st century, the moon continues to beckon with its tantalizing mysteries. New missions, equipped with cutting-edge technology, are poised to unlock the secrets hidden within its ancient craters and beneath its dusty surface. These missions will delve deeper into the moon's geological history, search for signs of past or present life, and lay the groundwork for a future where humanity has a permanent presence on our celestial neighbor. The moon, once an object of distant wonder, is rapidly becoming a new frontier for scientific exploration and human endeavor. Section 9. Conclusion. The moon's enduring allure. The moon, with its hidden face and captivating mysteries, continues to hold a special place in the human psyche. While we have learned a great deal about our celestial neighbor, there is still much to discover. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of lunar exploration, one thing remains certain: the moon, with its enduring allure and scientific potential, will continue to inspire and challenge us for generations to come.